Here's how I make Spaghettios with sausage. Remove the casings from your sausage. Here I am using 1 pound of mild Italian sausages. Next, you're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan and add some diced onion. You're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. Now add the minced garlic and cook for about a minute. Then add your sausage, breaking it up as you go. I am going to leave them in large chunks so they can look like mini meatballs. And you're going to cook this until the sausage is completely done. Next, you're going to add your tomato sauce, broth, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes if you're using. Stir and let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes on low heat, adding more broth if necessary. In the meantime, add salt into some boiling water and cook your pasta per directions. And once the pasta is done, you're going to drain and add into the sauce mixture along with 2 tablespoons of butter, some milk, and some Parmesan cheese. And now you're just going to toss everything together, season to taste, and sprinkle with some more Parmesan. You can eat it as it is, or if you have some leftovers, here's how you put it in a lunchbox. Here I am using our Box lunchboxes, and as always I'm going to preheat the thermos with some hot water and leave it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes while I pack the rest of their lunch. Here I'm just adding some sugar snap peas and garlic bread. For their fruits today I have some mixed berries. Here we have blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. I am going to give them a mini cannoli for their treats today. I discarded the hot water and add the Spaghettios that I've already reheated in the microwave, and I'm going to close it, and there you have it guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye.